Oh, this sort of had a feeling it was a bit of a lifting and endurance. It was a pretty difficult challenge actually. I'm pretty alright on holding things up. Made me arch my back, just trying to hold it up level to my shoulders.
Toa must quickly move to the next exercise.
It's just hard enough to stay straight up and down with your back. I was just quite a bit afraid that I might have got tired and dropped it on myself.
Doug shows great strength, which will add to a good time for his performance. Now, the next door.
Piece of cake because, you know, man, easy, that's nothing. Gee, I think I only got to 3 or 4, I think, after all of that. I just was not mentally prepared for that. I looked at it and I said, this is going to be easy, but it wasn't. Picking up those manuka, things like that, I really, like, I'll give it a shot, but I know that I'm not as strong. Like, I rely on other parts of my body to sort of get me through. And then that rock, I just didn't want it to fall on my head, you know, especially on television, you know. Geez, and then I went into the wrong stance and everything, but I was trying to keep it up. You know, it was really good. New muscles sort of popped out. All the tried muscles, they really got a good working out.
Raimuna submits to the strain. Then it's on to the next door.
A mixture of obstacles, footwork and strength is challenging. I like the pain. It was just reminding me of arm curls. I like curling the weight, so yeah, I liked it.
Hold it out there, kick up, put up. Straighten the right arm, one more one. Down, next one.
I was just holding the rock steady, focusing on your position and just holding it. And after a while, the rock just starts getting heavy.
Don't want to do that again. Trying to keep a straight face, trying to look pretty for the cameras, man. My legs couldn't hold up really, so I buckled out of it. Feel the pain in my finger because I think I kind of broke it the other day. It was sore for me to actually pick the thing up at first. Then, you know, once you zone out and the adrenaline starts kicking in, you can't really feel it anyways. I thought that if you go lower, then you won't have to hold it as high, but then old Tuki told me to put it down, but once you got it too close to your head, then he told you to pull it up. It's pretty hard for me.
Toa Pakari is today's challenge, a test of physical strength and mental stamina. Whare is the third toa and is showing great agility.
Just another hard challenge, mind and body. Yeah, pretty new, all the tour, we're just happy to do it. Having to jump forward and back, lost a lot of balance, but managed to pull through it okay.
Keep the power, let's go. Long as you can.
Arms, biceps, shoulders, everything. But yeah, pretty mamoi.
Keep it straight, come on. Come on. You're strong. Porito muki wa hora. Maro, pirinia. Kaha, tere. Teke. Kirunga kei tō upoko te kōhatsuna. Stay down.
Just trying to keep the rock above my head and I was slowly coming down.
Kia tō katoa.
gave it all in. Me.
2 more.
Every challenge here.
Up next, Owena. Tēnā, tuko!
Bloody hard, man. Far harder than what I thought. I thought, oh yeah, petty should be easy, just jumping over something and jumping back. Man, oh, no way. It was because it was real hard. We had to just keep jumping and then couldn't get your balance. You're throwing your body one way, the other one's trying to go back and forward. And then the second bit, holding that thing up, man, I was like, nah, this ain't me. I'm sure I managed to hold it up more than 10 seconds.
Toro tika. Give it up. Toro.
As soon as I saw 2 hingiri, I was like, yeah, I'm over, man.
Anaru attacks the challenge medley.
Marika, taku ki te ngatu i ngā Rakau, i ngā kōhatu nunui nei. A kāro ake au e wero mo te tinana, te mea tuatai, te peru, te peke ki mua, hoki whakamuri, peke ki mua, he uptina wero mo te hinengaro, mo ngā wāwai.
Apai, kia mau ki reira.
E mā te ururo, kau e mai takai. Te hiki i ngā Rakau, haka mātau ane ngā ringa.
Yo. Yo, kaha. Meu. Kira. Stay here. Ana. Irungake. Eke.
Te mutunga, te tūhengi, te hiki, te kohatu ki rungake i te mātenga. Halawa.
Kira. Tēnā koe.